Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can delete password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. After that, tap on Autofill, misclick, Autofill with Google, and passwords. Now just click on one of your added passwords that you wish to get rid of. In my case, my booking one. Now enter your current login method. And last but not least, click on Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my booking password was successfully deleted from Google Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!